Well, the regulators are out there, they're pursuing prosecutions. The rate of prosecution seems to be forever on the increase, and the consequences of prosecutions are forever on the increase. You're now talking about facing $3 million penalties in relation to a single breach in relation to serious incidents in this area, up to 5 years imprisonment and $600,000 in personal liability. These are big figures. And prosecutions happen all the time. On average, you'll see about 1,000 prosecutions go through the courts around Australia every year. Fall prevention is one of those top issues. I said before that fall prevention accounts for a large percentage of fatalities that occur every year. If you're talking about approaching things in a way that prevents those outcomes, that makes sure that people go home to their families, then you expect that all the resources of the regulators will be focused on those top issues like fall prevention.